What up? I've been kind of slacking on the YouTube showing you guys the DIY products I've been doing, but not today. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change the shocks in my 1993 JA11 Jimny. So I did the first one already. I kind of wanted to learn how to do it before showing anything. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the other side now. There's a 17 here and a 17 here. I've since yesterday been spraying PB Blaster on this. This is my third time doing it, and the bolts came out right away. So I'm hoping that's exactly what's gonna happen on this side. I got my main man Dave helping me. Yes, but yeah, I got these from Rock Auto. They were about, I think, like $25 each. They're a little better than stock. I didn't want to get anything with a lift or anything with performance because I really just want to keep this as stock and normal as possible. So let's do this one. Are we gonna get just as lucky on this side?
Yo, it's not that bad at all.
Oh no, yeah, that's good. Now this one is blown. Let me show you guys what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be like this, just naturally. And the fact that it's compressed in, like, this one is super blown. Let me really get two hands right now so you guys can see what I mean. So this is already a bad shock. Look how long it takes to come back up. But this one, look at this.
Yeah.
This is crazy.
At least this time we'll do it like this so that when it drops,
yeah, behind the brake line. Open that up. Want me to jack it?
Yeah, we can jack it up.
Use the jack to manipulate it.
The bottom one first. Okay.
Jack it?
Yep. There it is. It's in. Little hand sight.
Now it's time to do the fronts. Alright, so I just took off this one, which I knew was super blown, and like, this is not what you want your shocks to look like. So look, I just went over a bump, and that's how long it takes to get back to where it's supposed to be. Like, this one was okay. I actually need to put pressure, and then it comes back up, kinda. This one.
Hey, yo.
Alright, so now we're gonna put the front strut in. It comes with these three. You can look right here, look. These two are identical, but then this one is different. This guy is gonna go up here. You could kind of do that last. So to assemble it, you want to take this guy, one of the rubbers, put it in like this. Put that in, then the other rubber on top, that, and then you get two 14s. Again, one's a little thicker. So you put the thicker one on the bottom. I can't do it just yet because we gotta jack the car up. And then to put this back on, you're just gonna put this guy and then this 17 right here. Now we're good. Grab our two 14s, thicker one on the bottom. Second 14. Here's a finished product. Two 14s, rubber, two plates, one plate right there. If you can see it, 17 down there. I wish I got a new bolt for this. I thought it would have came on, but it didn't. But now I'm gonna put the tires back in, and I think later in this video I'm gonna drive to the beach and drive on the beach and see how it feels. Just see how it feels really on the road in general. But let me put the tires back on. Let me finish this. This took like maybe an hour and a half for someone who's never done it before. There are my old dusty shocks. Let's get the tires back on though. It is hot. Okay. It does feel a lot more stiff. There's a speed bump over here though. This would be the perfect test right now. Let's see, speed bump. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna really drive on this road and it's pretty bumpy. Let's see. You know, it feels like a Jimny, of course. It doesn't feel like a comfortable car at all, but compared to what I had before, let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is one of the best $100 upgrades you can do on your Jimny. I think it was like 120 shipped. Yeah, I'm going 80 kilometers an hour right now, and I don't know if you can tell how planted I am, but the roads are not good right now. Oh shit, hold on, Jimny. This right here is kind of bumpy too, let's see. Taking it like a champ. I'm pretty sure you can't hear me, but going 110 kilometers right now. And the car is planted. 120. Planted. So right now I'm actually going to the beach. We got some brand new tires, as you guys saw. We got brand new shocks. I got my homie behind me in a Jeep, and we're both just gonna drive on the sand, not do anything crazy. Actually been here before last year in my automatic Jimny, and they took it fine on street tires. So I feel like now I should do even better. But I definitely have to say that the shocks are a drastic improvement, but mine were just so bad, as you guys saw earlier. But I feel like if you just have a normal stock Jimny, I don't really feel the difference. It's still on leaps, so every bump is still, but at least now it's just boom boom. It's not like I'm not jumping all over the place. My car isn't swaying all over the place. It's definitely a huge difference for me. I don't know about everybody, but for me, arguably, like I said, one of the best $100 upgrades you could do. And for someone who's never done shocks before my whole life, I give it like a 4 out of 10 on the difficulty scale. It was very easy to do. But yeah, we're like 20 minutes away from the beach right now. Once I get there, I want to do a bunch of like cool like montage, like just cool like edited pictures. My drone sadly broke, so unfortunately I won't have any of those clips, but I have 2 GoPros, so let's see what I can do with these 2 GoPros. You guys will see that on the next clip.
Go crazy, AG.
We just got to the undisclosed location. I got him in 4-wheel drive lock. I just locked my hubs. I got myself in 4-wheel drive, as you can see right there. And now let's drive over the sand and show you what the Jimny's really about right now. Light work. Look at the Jimny. Light work, new shocks, new tires. Let's see, can the Jeep do it? All right, he said he got it, but the last thing we need is him to get stuck because the Jimny is not pulling him out. I don't know, man. He's determined though. I don't know if it's worth it, bro. Good, you gotta gun it though. Oh wow, he went really back. about to go over this crazy ass mountain. Go ahead.